guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah. This is No BS Beauty. Really quick, if you found any of my videos helpful, please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up and a like and all that good stuff, and subscribe to my newsletter, which is up on the screen. And then there's a little baby picture of me at 4 years old, which was just like a couple of years ago, you know? Anyway, because I'm only like 12 or 13. Anyway, I feel like I'm 12 or 13. I feel like I look like I'm 100. No, not really. Anyway, okay, on to today's video, which is the KSECRET SEOUL Cream Retinal Liposome 1% and Fermented Rice Moisturizer. Lincoln's here. Hi, Lincoln. You want to say hi to everybody? He's very sneaky. He's going to step on the camera. Come here, Lincoln. Lincoln, you want to say hi to everybody? You know, he's become very camera shy in the last year or so. Very, very camera shy. So, okay, it's kind of funny. I was just asked about this product today, and I thought, oh, yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to record my review of it in the next few days. So, yeah. So, here it is. Lincoln, you want to say hi? Here he comes. Cameraman, get Lincoln. Get little baby Duty, little Muffin. Muffin! He's very camera shy. I don't know when he became so camera shy. Even when I try to take pictures of him, he's very camera shy. Okay. Now he wants to sit in cameraman's lap. He thinks he's a lap dog, but he's a little bit bigger than a lap dog. No. So, okay. So, featuring 1% retinal liposome and rice ferment filtrate, this anti-aging cream reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while enhancing skin elasticity and firmness. It's additionally formulated 3 types of peptides, bakuchiol and vitamin C for collagen boosting, antioxidant, and brightening properties. This smooth and creamy texture absorbs quickly into skin for non-greasy finish. So the active amounts of each, we've got retinal, 0.1%, about 1.7% niacinamide, a little bit of bakuchiol, ethyl ascorbic acid, and rice ferment. So, okay, my first criteria is packaging. We've got a nice airless pump bottle. So, there you go. It's got the little holes. Those are so you can push the product up. You know what I mean? If it gets stuck. So, no issues with that. It's kind of clunky packaging, though. I mean, it's not bad. It's just clunky and larger than it needs to be. But anyway. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It also has no fragrance or no noticeable scent, and it is manufactured in Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use. So I personally recommend using it in your evening routine. It's got a nice kind of a lotiony texture to it. A little bit of it typically goes a long way. You can apply it over serums. After cleansing, toning, if you got a nice serum you use, then apply this over that. And then after that, apply a nice moisturizer or a night cream, something like that. So feels nice on skin. It doesn't feel greasy or anything. It feels hydrating. And yeah, it soaks in nicely and applies just fine in between 2 moisturizers. Excuse me. And it's got a, nice non-sticky finish. So, okay, no issues with that. In terms of the beneficial ingredients in this one, we've got niacinamide, a brightening ingredient. We've got Lactobacillus, Ginseng, Ferment, which is a probiotic. We've also got Lactobacillus rice ferment, which is a good skin conditioning and probiotic ingredient. We've got macadamia nut oil, which is an emollient, it's an emollient and rich in fatty acids. I wrote emollient rice and fatty acids. It's rich in fatty acids. We've got Saccharomyces potato ferment, which is an emollient. Allantin, which is soothing ingredient, adenosine, berry pairing. We've got, Lincoln's really making himself known that he's here, but he's just not gonna, we're just not good enough to actually see him, but we're good enough to hear him walk around. Excuse you, bless you, little muffin. We've got cholesterol, which is berry pairing. Then we've got retinal, which is the gold standard anti-aging, wrinkle fighting, smooth skin out. So 1% retinal liposome typically will be very on the weak side. So I think the cholesterol in here is what they probably use to kind of help the retinol deliver into your skin well maintaining moisture and preventing dryness. That's why a lot of people find prescription retinoids super strong, because they don't typically contain liposomes or any other hydrating ingredients. So this one has some other beneficial hydrating ingredients. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. It's allergy season is really rough right now. So keep that in mind. So this one isn't going to be as strong as the typical, what you would think like a 1% retinol is. It's much weaker than that, but there's no issues with that. I mean, a lot of people try and use the strongest retinoid their skin can handle, thinking it's more beneficial, but I think you're better off finding one your skin doesn't react to, that's still hydrating, but without causing flakiness and dryness and things like that, because that's not super beneficial for your skin. So don't necessarily need to find the strongest one, but just find one that works well with your skin. So, okay, so then we've got vitamin E, which is an antioxidant, burdock root, which is a good antioxidant. We've got another antioxidant called the Rehmannia chinensis root extract. We've got ethyl ascorbic acid, brightening ingredient, antioxidant. We've got bakuchiol, antioxidant, anti-aging ingredient. We've got 3 different types of epidermal growth factors, which are anti-aging and wound healing. So really nice ingredient list without being too over the top, contain too much. It's got some good ingredients that have specific purposes and really nice for your skin. So no issues at all with those. I wish, you know what, I should do a video discussing more like encapsulation and liposomal and things like that, because a lot of people get confused, or sometimes I think they have a product that says 4% liposomal retinol, and they were wondering why their skin wasn't irritated. They were kind of surprised, and if you look at 4% liposomal retinol is not as strong as you'd think. So, okay, in terms of animal testing, this brand states they're cruelty-free. I couldn't really find that corroborated on any other website, but that's what the brand says, so I would hope that's true. In terms of performance, it's a nice retinol. It's on the hydrating side as well as soothing, so which is nice. I describe it as more of a gentle retinol, so this one's nice for sensitive and dry skin types. It's also pretty friendly for those who are newer to retinoid products. For what it promises to provide anti-aging, brightening effects, and improve skin elasticity, and all with minimal irritation. I would agree it does all of that. Retinol can help improve skin tone. This doesn't have a ton of other brightening ingredients, so take some of that with a grain of salt. I guess it's got the ascorbic acid for potential brightening, but for really strong hyperpigmentation and dark spots, you're going to need really stronger brightening products, but this one certainly can help, but just don't rely on it. If you have significant hyperpigmentation, you'll need something else, but retinol will definitely help with that. For acne-prone skin, we've only got 2 ingredients of note. We've got sorbitol and vitamin E, so it's pretty friendly for acne-prone skin as well. In terms of the price, so this is a full size, 50 milliliters, 1.7 ounces, and it retails for about $17, so it's pretty affordable overall. And last but not least, the it factor. It's a nice retinol. It's not a must-have for me, but for sensitive skin or newbies to retinol, it might be a nice option. It's nice. It's got some hydrating and soothing ingredients. It's also friendly for all skin types, dry, oily, sensitive, and acne-prone skin. It's affordable, fragrance-free. It doesn't have that pizzazz or that just amazing wow or it factor to me, but it's a great product. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I was stuck giving this one a 9. It's great. It just doesn't have that absolute wow factor. But it's great, and it'll work well for a lot of people, especially sensitive skin or newbies, so it's worth checking out, or check out their 2% liposomal product. It looks also great as well. So, yeah, nice product. Curious if you guys have had a chance to check this out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are, leave them below. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys more tomorrow. Okay, bye, guys.